Mama shark.
Mama shark?
Yeah.
Mama is a shark?
Yeah.
Eh, Papa?
Yeah.
How about Papa? Papa is a shark?
Yeah.
How about Jewel? Jewel is a baby shark.
Yeah.
Oh no, we are shark.
Nana shark.
Wala nang shark.
Ate Jana shark.
No. Ate Jana is a shark?
Yeah.
How about Kuya Jacob?
Huh?
Kuya Jacob.
Yeah. Kuya Chan, Lucky shark.
Oh no. How about Ate Jayka?
Yes. Gigil na Lucky ato.
Lalaki?
Apo, ato shark.
Oh no. We are shark family. Yeah.
Papa,
Yes.
dito po si shark toye.
Shark na toy?
Yeah.
Okay, we go to the beach and then we look for a shark toy.
No. Nothing now.
No?
He eat you.
Shark will eat me?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Gigil ka pa tatay. Gigil ka iiyak ko.
Iiyak ka? Kapag ako kinain ng shark?
Ha?
If shark eat me, you will cry?
Yeah.
Oh no, you will sad? You will be sad?
Yeah. Sabi ko ni mama eh.
Okay. You love Papa? No? Hey. You don't love Papa?
Ha?
You don't love Papa?
Kasi nimimiss ka eh.
Mamimiss mo ko?
Opo. Eh sabi si mama.
Saka si Mama. Okay. Ako, I love ko si Jewel.
The classics are back all day long.
Alright, let's go to park.